Hi guys, welcome back to Dunia Ranking Daily. Today we will learn everything related about the strokes. You can see here you have the stroke panel here. This is basically stroke and this is fill. So before starting, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then go and smash that subscribe button so that you can get the latest updates about the designs for my channel. Okay. So you can see this is fill and stroke. See, if I click on this black and I press this, you can see the stroke is removed. See, the stroke is removed, and if I click on this, I apply black stroke over here. You can see the stroke is visible. This inner part is fill and the outer part is stroke. See here I have the stroke option. You can see I have this stroke. You can increase or decrease the stroke size from here. If I press 4, you can see the size is increasing. I do 12, you can see the size is increased more. From here you can increase or decrease the size. This fill only. I make a rectangle and here is no stroke and this is fill only basically. You can see the fill is off. You can see the stroke is off and the fill is on. And this is stroke only. Here, if I click here, you can see the fill is off and the stroke is on. So this point, stroke to the center. Guys, here you can see I have on this. You can see guys, I have on this line stroke to the center. You can see this is the center point, and if you increase or decrease the strokes points, it will increase from the both sides. It will increase from inside and it will also increase from the outside. Now if I decrease this to 40, you can see it is of equal proportion. This is stroke to inside. You can see this second option, stroke to inside. Now if I increase to 40 degree, you can see it is increasing just from inside. It is not increasing from the outside obviously. So this now stroke to outside. This is third option here. If I increase this, it is increasing from outside, but this is not increasing from the inside. You can see it is because this is stroke to outside, that's why. So I'm just decreasing this. And this meter join. I have the meter join option here. The corners are this. If I you can see here corners are round. You can see the anchors are round, and here in bevel join these are some like this. You can see here the bevel join options. Here guys, in the dash lines, you can see here in down strokes, you first have caps, corners, align strokes, and then the dash lines. You can increase or decrease the dash lines from here, but I have for this 2 pt and 2 pt 2 pt. Here you have the dotted lines. If you take the stroke weight 1 and the dash lines to 1 1, this will be then the dotted lines. Here guys, you can see the arrows here. This is basically the arrowheads. You can see there are many arrowheads given here in the strokes options. Okay, and here you have the endpoints also here. Okay, I hope you have learned this till here. So guys now you can see this of this paintbrush tool, block brush tool, and the pencil tool. First of all, let me take paintbrush tool, and you can see here if I make this here, you can see this is brush basically. First of all, I'm going into the window, and you can see here I want to have here brush bar, brush tools. You can see I have here brushes. If I select this with the help of this direct selection tool, you can see I can apply any of the brush to this. Like this guys, you can apply these brushes to any of the path. For example, if I make a path with the help of pen tool, you can see I'm making a path. And let me select this with the help of selection tool and simply click over here. I'm increasing the size of the stroke from here to 4. You can see you can apply this to any of your path like this very easily. you can see basically guys, this is block brush tool, and you can see if I make any of the brush, this is basically the fill. If I show you the stroke to black, you can see this is red, this is basically the fill, but the paint brush tool was basically the stroke. Now if I show you the pencil tool, if I make any of the stroke here, you can see this is basically the stroke, and you can apply any of the brush here. You can see if I increase the size of the stroke, this, you can apply any of the brush from here too. So guys, now let's go with the eraser tool and the scissor tool. Now I'm just going to make a ellipse. You can see this, I have this circle and I have the scissor tool right here. I have the first eraser tool right here. If I work this with the help of this scissor tool, eraser tool, you can see the path is being closed and these are being cut. You can see I have every part separated. You can cut it with the help of the eraser very easily. I'm just deleting this and I'm again making an ellipse. Now guys, I have this scissor tool. Pressing Ctrl plus to zoom out, you can see if I click on here and here, click wherever you want to cut the part. I'm just pressing Ctrl minus and you can see I have separated these two, this circle. You can see with the help of this scissor tool, very easily. Guys, so today we have learned all about the strokes, how the paintbrush, bolo brush tool, the paintbrush, block brush tool and the pencil tool, eraser tool and the scissor tool. Hope you find today's video very useful. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This is artist Rabia signing off. Allah Hafiz.